So today we'll start a new video to understand how digital elevation model data can be downloaded from the website freely. Okay, as we know that digital elevation model data, it is now applied in various branches of science and technology such as in earth sciences, environmental sciences, agriculture, cartography, engineering. Okay, so how this data can be downloaded from this website, that is called USGS website. So we will there are various kinds of websites from where you can download this digital elevation model data, but today we'll learn how we can download from USGS Earth Explorer. Okay, so this is the website. You need to click this one and you need to log in this. So if you are already have registered your email ID and password, so you can log in using that. Otherwise you need to create a new account and then activate your account and then you can log in. So as I have already created my account, so I just log in this website. Okay, so once we have logged in, so now you can see the world map here. From that world map you need to select your study area. So for that we'll go here, that is add or place, and you need to type your particular study area. Okay, suppose my study area is Sundarban, so I'm typing here. So just click show and it will show this particular area. Okay, now as it is showing a particular location, but instead of particular locations we are interested in a particular area. So how to do that? So for that you need to define a boundary. So for that you have option here. So you just need to click, 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 click like that. Okay, so and you can extend your boundary, you can reduce your boundary, you can adjust your boundary by this option is available here. Okay, and once you have defined your boundary, now you need to know that within this boundary how we can get our digital elevation model data. Okay, so for that, once you have set your boundary, you need to click this data set. Once you have clicked this data set, there are various kinds of options are there. So you need to go to that digital elevation option, and here you will get that SRTM, and in this SRTM you need to click this SRTM 1 Earth second global dataset, and it will give you 30 meter of resolutions data. So once you have checked this on, so you need to just go to your results. Okay, and click that and you will get your data set. Okay, and you can see various thumbnails. It is various kinds of option are there, and how much raster data you require to cover this particular area. So you just click one thumbnail and you will get that how much boundary it is uh, covering. Okay, by that, and you need to this download option is there. So click that one and go to this 1 second geotip data, and you can click it and it will be automatically downloaded like that. So when you have downloaded, go to next data, and again you need to download this. Okay, and in that way you can download all the raster files. Okay, and now we need to know that how this raster data file can be used in QGIS. Okay, so for that we'll go to QGIS software, okay, which is freely available. You need to install that software. Okay, and once you have downloaded your raster dataset, and now your QGIS software also you have installed in your system, so you not now create a new empty project. Okay, In that there is option, okay, that is project, and you can save your project at save as. Okay, there is, you can give your, suppose this is test 2, I am giving this name, you can give a name and then save your project. Okay, then there is an option here that now this is QGIS software. Now we need to load our data which we have downloaded from USGS website. So there is an option that is called layer, and you go that option, that is add layer. And in the add layer you can see that various options are there. So you just click this add raster layer. Okay, once you have selected this one option, then there is a address. It will ask that where is your data set, so which you have loaded, downloaded from this website. Now you have kept in a file, so you just need to select from the options in your systems that where it is. So you just go to your system and select this particular file. I have, as I have already downloaded, so I am just clicking this one and open and add and close. Okay, now you can see that data, digital elevation model data, it is now in your system, in your software that is called QGIS, and this image can be now used to prepare a digital elevation map, okay, this particular study area. That we will see in the next video, that how this uh, electronic, that is digital elevation model data, okay, that can be used to prepare a map. So we'll see in the next video. Thank you.